Hello SkyTubers all over the world. In case you didn't know, my name is Amanda, and I'm one of the flight attendants here at SkyTube. Nice to see you all again, and we send out wishes as we begin a new year together. Our Sky World is built off of the support of our helpful team members you know and love. See, over the past few years, we have literally helped thousands of YouTubers just like you all around the world. This brings me to my next question. Are you a content creator on YouTube looking for ways to grow your business? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to talk about using Adsense to grow your YouTube business. Now, if you're not familiar, Adsense is an advertising platform by Google. It allows content creators to monetize their videos by showing ads based on the content of the video and the interests of the viewer. So, now that you know what Adsense is, let's talk about how it can help you grow your YouTube business. First and foremost, Adsense can be a great source of income. Every time one of your viewers clicks on an ad, you make a few cents. Those few cents can add up over time, so it's definitely worth considering as a way to supplement your income. Second, Adsense can help you increase your subscriber count. Because ads are based on the content of your videos and the interests of your viewers, chances are that someone who watches an ad is interested in the content that you created. That means each ad can be seen as an opportunity to get a new subscriber. Last but not least, Adsense can increase the engagement of your videos. Showing ads related to the content of your videos gives viewers something to watch in between videos, which can encourage them to watch more of your videos over time and naturally increase engagement with your audience. Now that you know how Adsense can help you grow your YouTube business, let's explore how to set up Adsense and show ads on your videos. First, you need to create a Google Adsense account and submit it for approval. Once Google reviews and approves your account, you can start monetizing your videos. To do this, you'll need to create a YouTube channel and connect it to your Adsense account. That way, the ads shown on your videos are coming from the same account. The last step is to enable ads on your videos. You can do this either from within the YouTube Studio or from the Monetization tab within the Adsense dashboard. And that's it. You're now ready to start using Adsense to grow your YouTube business. See, that was even easier than you thought. Just remember that it takes time for ads to start appearing on your videos, so be patient, and understand consistency is actually key in content creation. This means that giving up is not an option. You'll only reset your hard work and progress doing that. Thanks for watching our content, and we hope this video was helpful in understanding how you can use Adsense to grow your YouTube business. Follow us at SkyTube_ on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to our new Patreon for more information about growing your YouTube channel. That's all for now. What a video! If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and a team member will be in touch. For now, take care and have a wonderful day, creators!